Hello, in this video I'm going to show you some basics for working in Excel. Let's get started. First thing is how to expand the column width in a spreadsheet. If I look at column C, I can see that some of the information there is not visible. And I want to make sure I see everything within this column. So the way to size your column width is to go to your header row where your letters are, and right between the C and D column, I'm going to put my cursor and double click. I can also do that for column D. I see that that's quite wide and there's a lot of extra space here. So again, I move my cursor, watch it change. It should look like this on your screen when you try this, and double click. This will resize your column width to the widest piece of data within a column. Let's say I want homeroom to appear in every cell in this column. There are two ways I can do this. I can simply go to the lower right-hand corner of my cell. Once I see the cursor change, watch that again. It changes to this. When I see that, I can just click and drag. The other way to do this is to hold down the Command key and double-click the lower right-hand corner. If I do that, the data is filled down to the very last row in my spreadsheet. Freezing and then unfreezing panes are two really good tools that are available in Excel. And what it means is this: if you freeze panes, it means that when you scroll in your spreadsheet, you will never lose this top row. And I've highlighted that in yellow just so we can see it. So take a look right now in my spreadsheet without having my panes frozen. What happens? This top row goes away, and if you're inputting data, that can be a real problem. So in order to freeze panes, what you will do is select the row underneath the one you want to freeze, come up and choose Window, Freeze Panes. Now, just so you can see, there's a dark line now between rows 1 and rows 2, which shows me that that row is now frozen. And when I scroll, it stays in the same spot. To unfreeze panes, you simply do what you did to freeze them. You select row 2 again, choose Window, and unfreeze panes. To hide columns, you select the columns you no longer want to see, and then anywhere within your selected area, you can right-click, or on a Mac keyboard, Control left-click. So again, that's either right-click, or on a Mac, Control left-click, and choose Hide. You'll notice now that column C, the C is blue and the F here is blue, and that tells us that we're hiding something there. There's also this purple line between the columns. So if I want to unhide these columns, I would select them again, and of course right-click anywhere in the selected area and choose Unhide. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.